This is setting up a Coinomi wallet startup guide. First you've got to install the app, or you're in the Play Store or the App Store, depending on what device you've got. It will take a short time to download. Once you've downloaded it, you can open the app, wait for it to load up. Once it's loaded up, you will create a wallet. Once you press create wallet, we'll write down the recovery phrase and keep it in a secure location, and then continue. And I assure you, you must have a backed up one, because if you lose your phone, then you can back up your wallet. It must be in the correct order, so have it in exactly how it's displayed. And then you must create a password, so when you do interact with it, send in your currencies or buying cryptocurrencies, you can alter it. And then select all the coins that you would like to add to your wallet, and then they will create it. Agree to the terms and conditions and the terms of service. The main page shows your balance of whatever the coins you've got, whether it's Bitcoin, Gold, Verge, Litecoin. Receive, this is how you'll send crypto, either scanning the barcode or copying that address. You'll press send, put the amount in, enter the destination, and then click on send. Click on the three dots to enter the setting menu. Settings overview, exchange rate, transaction fees, shows recovery phrase, change password, restore wallet. To add coins on the symbol, upper left corner. Click on plus coins and follow the wizard. The exchanges are Changelly and Shapeshift. You can use your coins in exchange for other currencies. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe.